BMW X5 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-grade BMW X5 wheel spacers can help the X5 with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheels adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. BMW X5 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the X5. The lines of the BMW X5 will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using BMW X5 wheel spacers allows you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. We usually install 10mm wheel spacers on the front of the X5, and the overall result is perfect and full. This is also the choice of many BMW X5 owners who buy the BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 50mm, and you can choose whether or not you want to pair them with extending wheel bolts. BONOSS BMW X5 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. The benefit of the Plus design of BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!